Hi friends, after a lot of days I'm going to make again to a video. It's a holiday in Agra. So as soon as you enter, this is the view that you come across. After going through the entire room and the washroom, I realized that it's a room for specially able people. Okay, so this is the way you need to insert your keys, like kind of horizontally. And yeah, this is the washroom. It's really big, and they could have easily had a bathtub here. This is the painting, but as I mentioned, it's for specially able, and you'll see how. So these are the body wash, hand wash, and you also get a hand dryer, hair dryer, a tissue paper, glasses, and if you've forgotten something, then they have you cover. There are 2 dental kits and 1 shaving kit. So you pull it down from here. I was just figuring out how to open it up. So yes, 2 dental kits and 1 shaving kit you'll get here, and everything is little low because of the way it has been designed. And you come to the washroom area, that is this shower area, and this is for sitting, like someone can sit and take bath. And you get everything of Dove. This is the hand shower. You only get hand shower here, overhead shower. So body wash, shampoo, conditioner. You also have like emergency buttons just near the toilet seat. So now you, after coming out from there, on the right hand side you have this iron table, and also have this safe and iron. And I could not find a single socket to put this iron. And this is the torch flashlight. I think it's a flashlight. I could not figure it out how to open it, how to light it up. Okay, so this is it. This is the iron, and I could not find a socket which could fit its big size plugs. And this is the mini bar. You have some drinks. So yeah, of course it's chargeable, and there are some like Atram, Shatram brand something, Chatpata, mixed fruits, Chatpata, pineapple. And this is a electric kettle wherein you can make your tea or coffee. And water bottles with glasses, 2 mugs. You have milk here, sugar free, sugar, tea and coffee. This is a big table. The room is big. I would say it's a really big size room, and of course everything is like on a low seating, like everything is designed in that way, even the bed. And this is the bed. You get that alarm clock also along with the bed. You have a table and chair, and again Taj Mahal's colored creative photo picture to bring in some Taj city glory into the room as well. This is the sofa, table. Again you have emergency button here, remote and phone. You have table lamps, side lamps. So this is the view from the room. They said it was mentioned it's a garden view room. Probably you need to look like vertically downwards to see the garden, but a city view is a good view when the city is Agra. So yes friend, that's it for today. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.